your dance. Pretty. Good job.
Come down. Don't do it.
Hello! Oh, that's technically you. You're not here. Oh, crap. You alright? You alright? Oh, good.
So I was outside once, and I went to the store, and then I went back home, and now we're all walking, and I went on a new trail without an ATV, and I'm out of breath. I gotta run! No! Giant spiders!
Please.
Ooh, car. Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta go find Josh.
It's on that hyped up, baby.
What the?
Let's go before he touches me.
No, wait, no. Can't. Oh, damn.
Turtle. Might be over here.
I don't know if that's trouble getting over the fence. Why would you say that?
Prove it. Jump over the fence. No, come back. Come on. No. I could jump. Get off.